Hello, dear students. Good morning, all. Welcome in our digital class. I hope you all are doing best at home. Myself, Mrs. Ashwini Rohit Satpude from Advocate Bapusaheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Today, I am going to teach you the subject of English 2. In this subject, today we are going to see our next lesson. Children, do you remember? In the previous class, we had learned about this and that. This and that are used to show a single person, place, animal, or thing. In today's class, we will learn about these and those. Children, these and those are used to show many person, places, animals or things. We use T H E S E these to show plural noun which are near to us, and we use T H O S E those to show plural nouns which are far from us. Now, children, let's learn more about these and those with different examples. There are many balloons near to me, so I will use these. And kites are far from me, so I will use those. The chocolates are near to me, so I will use these. And the cupcakes are far from me, so I will use those. Okay, children, let's try to make sentences using these and those. The bananas are near to me, so I will use these. These are bananas. And the apples are far from me, so I will use those. Those are apples. Children, I believe now everyone is clever about these and those. Yes? Okay, now let's do a quick review about these and those. Number 1, dash are coconut. Children, are the coconuts near or far away? Yes, it's far away. So, what will be used? That's right. Those. Those are coconuts. Number 2. Dash are eggs. Are the eggs near to me or far away? Very good. It's near to me. So, what shall we use? That's right. These are eggs. Number 3. Dash are glasses. Are the glasses near to me? No, they are far away. Right. So, what shall we use? Yes, that's right. Those are glasses. Number 4. Dash are butterflies. Children, are the butterflies far from me? No, it's near to me. Right? So, what shall we use now? Very good. These are butterflies. Children, look at this box. Always remember that in singular noun, if the single object is near to us, we use this. And if a single object is far from us, we use that. In plural nouns, if many objects are near to us, we use these. If many objects are far from us, we use those. I hope now everyone is clear with these and those. Yes? Okay, children. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.